welcome back to my channel. Today is the release day for Trinity stamps and look at all this yumminess. So pretty. So I grabbed the lot of sprinkles. I have so many here. I do have limited quantities on each. I've already sold some of these, so these are really cute. This is little sweethearts. Look at those tiny, tiny little hearts. Or here's my nail compared to the little hearts. They are so cute. So these are making great for shaker cards. And let's see, we've got some new ones. These little eyeballs. These are perfect with the new release. So there's a new monster stamp set. And look at these eyeballs. So they come in big size, in a little size. And those would make such cute shaker cards. You could actually even use these and glue them onto your stamp for their eyes. So that would be fun too. And then you got the green ones. You got the green ones, and you'll get one package of these per listing. It doesn't come with all of these. I just didn't want to take them all out and get them all unorganized. This one is Crafty Love. I love this one. It's got the bigger hearts mixed in with the little hearts. Look at that. We've got medium hearts, baby hearts. How cute is that? And then we've got the sweetened hearts. So these are like the medium hearts. So many cute ones in here. I grabbed some really nice spring ones. Here's another heart one. And the nice spring ones that I grabbed, like little ladybugs. So this is ladybug bunch. You get the bigger ladybugs and the little ladybugs mixed in here. So those would be really cute on your little spring cards that have little critters. And then these butterfly wings. These are gorgeous. Look how pretty that is. Look at all that detail. That is really, really, really pretty. And then there's some bees. So this one is the bee bunch. It's got the smaller bees and the larger bees in here. And these would be really cute just to glue them on your card. And these are like made out of clay. They have a really nice texture to them. We've got the Easter eggs. So these are larger Easter eggs. And then these little spring sugar posies. Those are really cute. They look like candy. So keep them away from kids because some of these do look like candy. And then we've got the Fortune Teller flat bead mix. This one's really pretty. They're like almost like water droplets. And then we've got some clear hearts. These are called boiled sugar mix heart jelly drops. Those are really pretty. They are just so clear. And then the lovely heart, tiny heart confetti. Really pretty colors. So you can find that under the Trinity section in my shop. Let's share the new release here. Okay, we've got a lot of cute stuff. I will start with the smaller stamps here and dies. So we've got the Sending Hugs stamp set here. We've got Sending Monster Hugs, and you can use this with your monsters and without, because just snip this monster off and then use Sending Hugs. So I like that. So it's very versatile. And then it's got this little frame here that you can use for your sentiments. You can put this monster in there. So that's really nice. We've got the XOXO and Love die here. So it's called Bold Love die set, which is really nice. And then it looks like you can piece in the middle piece. It cuts out a little frame. And then so you can do layered different colors. So you can have like a black outline with the white on the inside. So that's really nice. And these are all 3x4 stamp sets here. Nice price point. And these are really, really, really cute. So this is not a card, it's a hug with a fold in the middle. So this is so cute. And then you can color these different colors to add a pop of color. And these little small stamp sets fit perfectly with their new slimline die set. So I did restock the slimline dies too from the previous release, but this is their newest slimline die, and it cuts out a frame for your slimline so you can make a shaker card. Now the inside piece, you can use that to make small note cards, like perfect for like lunchbox size. So it will cut out the card shape, and then in the middle here it will score it, so you just fold it, and then it's got some layers to add your panels, and these stamps fit perfect inside there. You also get the words love you and some hearts. You get this large heart with stitching that cuts in the middle and stitching on both ends, so you can have a window, a heart window. So this is really cool. So here are all the stamps that will fit with that. You are not alone, not ever. I am always here for you. And again, you can color all this up really pretty. I love this one with the world. Your existence makes this world better. This one, you are an awesome human. Sending you love and happy thoughts. And then we've got this small love and stuff sentiments pack here. So you got these great little sentiments that will fit really nicely in that tag, that little hugs tag. Let's see, where is that? This one here. So little sentiments will fit in there. Happy Galentine's Day, Happy Valentine's Day, I only have eyes for you, even if you have cooties. So this is perfect with the monster stamp set that they came out with too. Coffee is my love language, sweetheart, you are my favorite. So we've got all these different sentiments here that are going to work with a variety of cards. I love that. Cheesy cards, that's how I roll. Love is patient, love is kind. And then we've got momsters appear after the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. I love you, moi, and XO. And then this is a heart die. So we've got a stacking heart die here. And the largest heart die will cut out this stamp here. So look at that, how cute that is. So all your craft supplies arranged in a heart shape. So that die will cut out that. And we've got for my crafty friend, you make life colorful, you inspire me. And then we've got you've got heart and hello. And then there's little sequences that you can stamp around your card. That is really, really pretty. Also, there is a stencil that will work with this as well. So we've got the layering heart stencil. This one here is gorgeous. This one is called Love You Bunches. Now this looks very pretty. This would be great watercolored, Copic colored, really anything. And love the font on here. Hello, for you, and I love you bunches. And then there is a coordinating die, and the die does cut out the sentiment there. So there's the little dies for the sentiments, which I love. I love that. We've got the cute monster stamp set. This is called Monster Love. There is a coordinating die, and I love that the die cuts the inside of this guy. And then he also cuts slits in the little monster's hand, so you can put items in there, little hearts or whatever you want to put inside his arms. And then this guy too. You could put stuff in his arms too, which I love that. And then look at these cute little sentiments. Super, super fun. These are the slimline dies from the previous release. So these are awesome. I just love these. And then these are the landscape ones. So you can add clouds or grass or hills to your scene. We've got Build a Monster die set here. So look at all the little parts to create fun little monsters. And let me grab the coffee cups. That would be really cute to decorate your coffee cups with this. So I got a couple of these left. The mini coffee cup craft kit that comes with the lids, the coffee cups, the little stopper, and some baggies to decorate really cute little gifts. And that would be so cute to decorate it as a little monster. Now we've got stencils, and this one is the Heartburst stencil, which is really, really pretty. And I believe it comes with 2 stencils in here. Let me see. You can pop out the little hearts, I believe. I think it comes with 2. Yes, it's a 2-piece stencil set. So you can create this Heartburst. Look at the samples on this. It's really, really pretty. And these are the foundations stencils, and this is the A2 foundation rectangle. It's a 4-piece stencil set, and I love it because it has a grid on it. If you have a grid mat, you can line that up, and then I would love to use this as a placement stencil. So I'm always having problems lining up my card base to my my panel straight. So you can put this on your grid and use this as a little template to put your rectangle inside there to line it up perfectly on your card. You can also ink blend with this and do really fun techniques. And the same with the circle one. You see the grid on there for your A2 size card, for your little panel, and then you can center it perfectly, and it's just a really helpful. These are going to be really helpful. So I think I shared everything here. So many cute stuff. I will have the links down below to the Trinity section in the shop. I will be sending out a free gift with 60 US orders over $60 shipped for free. So thank you guys for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys!